Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix not able to log in or sign up for your Roblox account. And if you're not able to log in, the best thing I can tell you guys to do is simply just just forget password and then go on from there. Or you could also use the QR code. The QR code I've known has helped a lot of people with that as well. But one main reason why you cannot log in is because on PS4 and PS5 is because that specific account, you already linked it to another PlayStation account. So let's just say you have multiple PlayStation accounts and you went to the other account and then you logged in there, and now you're trying to log in to the same Roblox account on a different PlayStation account. That is why it's not working. So basically what you have to do is you have to unlink it from the original PlayStation account and then link it to the account that you want to play on. And anything else you guys can do is simply just delete Roblox and then try reinstalling it. And if you're using the same credentials, make sure to go to PC, for example, or mobile. Make sure to log in from there or log out of any other place you're logged in from Roblox. So let's just say you're logged in on your mobile device, so just log out of there and then try to log in on your PlayStation. And yeah, so that is how to fix unable to sign up or log in on Roblox in PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.